Hello, this is bbstormhelp here today, and I have a very special video today, and I also have an unboxing. This right here is the Blackberry Storm 2. I just got this about half hour ago. Alright, well, around the box, it's got some stuff. Alright, this package contains the Storm 2 lithium-ion battery, Blackberry stereo headset, 3.5mm, Blackberry micro USB international charger with Blackberry international adapter clip, UBS cable, 16GB micro SD memory card pre-installed in the Blackberry Storm 2, SIM card pre-installed in the Blackberry 2 Storm, quick reference guide, global support kit, tips, fold-out documentation kit, easy access manager, CD-ROM. Alright, here's just a picture of it, inside and the back. Alright, so here we go. We've got the box, Blackberry. That's pretty much it all around. Some stuff from RAM research and motion. And that's it. Alright, let's break into this. We'll peel off the sticker. Right here. Get right into it. Alright, so we have the Blackberry Storm, but we'll get to that later. Pop this out. Alright, so we have in here, we have manuals, or I guess just like a guide kind of thing. Support guide, customer, frequently asked questions, or frequently in emissions and responsible driving. Here is the Easy Access Manager, this, tips, hints and shortcuts, manual. Alright, and once we get into the box here, alright, here we have the Blackberry battery. It is the same battery that came with the first one. It is a DX1. So that's pretty much it. That's that. Also comes with the standard, the standard Verizon headphones. Open up this. Alright, so we've got the speech here, the headphones, or that's the 3mm jack, as on the phone, 3mm. Pull up these two headpieces, and then it comes with the a softer headphone piece. Alright, in here looks like we have the charger. Let me open this up. Alright, so we got the standard charger, the same one that came with the first one again. Has a sliding spot. In the package that this comes with, it has the normal adaptation for the USA in those places. And then there's just the manual in there. Take that out. There's nothing else in here. What else do we have? We have this adapter. Slides right in. Here you go. Here we go. We have the UBS computer to phone cable here, so you can go to the Blackberry download manager and the easy access. We also have this piece, 2-prong. And last but not least, we have something like that. So, that's pretty much it. That's the box. That's it for this video. Here it is once again. So, that's the Blackberry Storm 2, and I'll be doing another video on this phone. Thank you. Subscribe, please. Rate this video. Bye.